Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota RAV4 tail light. First, gather your essential tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Next, open the rear hatch of your RAV4. This gives you clear access to the tail light assembly, making the process straightforward and simple. Let's get started. Now, let's access the bulb. Look for the two Phillips head screws that hold the entire tail light assembly in place. These are usually visible once the hatch is open. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the wiring and bulbs behind it. With the assembly detached, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Identify the specific bulb that needs changing. Twist its socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the tail light housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's secure. Then, reinsert the socket into the housing, twisting it clockwise to lock it in place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push the assembly firmly back into place until it sits flush and secure. Reinsert the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier and tighten them snugly, but do not over-tighten. Before closing up, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your RAV4 tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.